Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 5, the 8051 microcontroller interfaces and applications. In previous session, we can study the different types of interfaces, especially for ADC, DAC interfaces and servo motor interfaces and keyboard and the LCD interfaces and external memory interfaces. Now today we are going to discuss about the stepper motor interfaces with the 8051 microcontroller. A stepper motor is widely used for device that translate the electrical pulses into mechanical movement. So the stepper motor is used for position control in applications such as disk drive, dot matrix printer and robotics. Every stepper motor has a permanent magnet rotator. It is called shaft. Surrounded by the stator. Commonly used stepper motor have a 4 stator winding. Such motor are called as a 4-phase or unipolar stepper motor. Now we see the structure of stepper motor interfacing with our 8051. In 8051, to connect the stepper motor in the buffer of ULN 2003. In this step angle, the step angle is minimum degree of rotation associated with the motor. Now today discuss the theoretical part. A stepper motor is a device that translates electrical pulses into the mechanical movement in steps of fixed angle. The motor rotates in steps in response to applied signal. It is mainly used for position control and also it is used for printer and robotics and process control circuits. The structure motor have permanent magnet called a rotor and surrounded by the stator. The most stepper motor have 4 stator winding that are paired with the center tap. This type of stepper motor is commonly referred as a 4-phase or unipolar stepper motor. The center tap allows a change of current direction in each of the two coils when a winding is grounded, thereby resulting in polarity changes of the stator. Interfacing even a small stepper motor required a current of 400 milliamps for its operation, but the port of the microcontroller cannot share this much amount of current. If such a motor is directly connected to the microprocessor microcontroller port, the motor may draw the large current from the port and damage. So, a suitable driver circuit is used with the microcontroller to operate the motor. Now, the motor driver circuit ULN 2003 stepper motor drive the circuit are available readily in the form of ICs. The ULN 2003 is one such a drive IC which is a high voltage, high current Darlington transistor array and can give a current of 500 milliamps. This current is sufficient to drive a small stepper motor. Internally, it has a protection diode used to protect the motor from damage due to back EMF and large eddy currents. So this ULN 2003 is used as a driver to interface the stepper motor to the microcontroller. The important parameters of a stepper motor is the step angle. It is the minimum angle through which the motor rotates in response to each excitation pulses in a 4-phase angle. If there is a 200 steps in one complete rotation, then the step angle is 360 into 200 is equal to 1.80. That is to rotate the stepper motor we have to apply the excitation pulses. Now for this, the controller should send the extra decimal code through one of the ports. The extra code mainly depends on the construction of the stepper motor. So all of the stepper motor do not have the same extra code for their rotation. For example, let us consider the extra code for the stepper motor to rotate in clock direction is 77H, DBH, DDH and also EEH. This extra code will apply to the input terminal of the driver through the assembly language program to rotate the stepper motor in anti-clockwise direction. The same code is applied to the reverse order. Now, in this lecture video, we can study the stepper motor functions and how to functions of 8051 to stepper motor in the interfacing of ULN2003 functions, and then applications, and then main mechanism of stepper motor in 8085 interfacing. Thank you for watching this video.